The analytic study establishes the repeatability and bias for an attribute gauge. The analytic study is performed measuring the parts around one of the tolerance limits of the gauge. The readings are mirrored around the other limit. Select 8 parts to perform the analytic study. The parts should span across one of the limits of the gauge. One extreme part should measure well out of specifications and the other extreme part well within the specifications. Measure each part 20 times with the gauge and log the number of times the part gets accepted. The extreme part beyond specifications should not get accepted even once, and the extreme part within specifications should get accepted all 20 times. The 6 parts in between should get accepted between 1 to 19 times out of the 20 trials. Select and measure more parts till this condition is satisfied. Log the number of accepts in the analytic study worksheet of ProMSA. ProMSA plots the accepted trials data on a normal probability plot and evolves a gauge performance curve. ProMSA calculates the repeatability and the bias for the gauge. Repeatability is an indicator of the error of spread and the bias an indicator of the error of location in an attribute gauge.